we appreciate for the exposure yenye wametupatia, and we would like also to thank the CS Ababu Namwamba kwa hiyo chance yenye alitupatia, na what he's doing is really good for the youth and the nation, na tunashukuru kwa kuwa we are looking forward that we are having a bright future. Now we are believing that sisi kama youth wa Kenya, we are going to go far because of our talents and because of the exposure yenye ametupatia, because there are even some people who are going to Spain, and I'm sure that there are those who will also remain there because of the exposure they have.
We are awarding our regional winners and national winners in Talanta Hela tournament. It was the government's promise that we are going to award those winners, and we are happy today that we are honoring the promise. With us today, we'll be awarding the Uasin Gishu team that was number 4 in girls category at the nationals. Then we have West Pokot, both men and women, who won their regions. We also have Nandi, which was their regional winner. We also have already done awarding to Nakuru boys and girls who were regional winners, and the girls who were in Nakuru boys as regional winners, and Nakuru girls who were number 4 in the girls category in Nairobi. We awarded Baringo and Kericho as regional winners.